Wireless charging sounds appealing. Just throw your phone on a charger and it will start charging. There is no wear and tear on charging ports, and chargers can even be built into furniture. However, not all the energy that comes out of a wall outlet ends up in a phone's battery. Some of it gets lost in the process of heating. It's true that there is no way of charging that is 100% efficient, but wireless chargers lose a lot of energy compared to cables. They get even less efficient when the coils in the phone aren't aligned properly with the coils in the charging pad, a surprisingly common problem. For example, in the case of Pixel 4, it took 14 watt-hours electricity to be fully charged from dead using the standard cable, whereas charging it wirelessly took nearly 21 watt-hours, that is 47% more than normal. In other words, the phone had to work harder, generate more heat, and suck up more energy when wirelessly charging to fill the same size battery. How the phone is positioned affects the charging efficiency. If the phone doesn't get aligned, it will take way more energy to charge than necessary, or worse, not charge at all. And the difference is of millimeters, which is really hard to notice. The improper alignment could cause 80% more energy consumption than normal. In the case of Google's official Pixel stand, there is a less chance of misalignment, because unlike UTech, here the coils can be misaligned from left to right only. But it still used 39% more power than the cables. But there is a bad similarity between these two chargers. Both use around 0.25 watts of energy continuously, which is equals to 6 watt-hours of energy in a whole day. If you have multiple wireless chargers left plugged in, one by the bed, one by the living room, and one in the office, that means you are wasting energy which can be used to fully charge a phone. On the other hand, cable charger did not draw any measurable amount of power. It might not even register on your power bill. However, it can turn into an environmental problem. Because if each smartphone users all over the world starts to use a wireless charger, then a huge chunk of energy will be wasted every day, which is equivalent to charge roughly 3 billion smartphones for no reason. And it is equals to run 60 coal power plants, each outputting 50 megawatt for a whole day. And if the busy monkeys misaligned their phones during charging and it consumes 50% more energy, then you have to double the number of power plants. The power consumption being plugged into the wall often goes overlooked when tech giants say how eco-friendly their devices are. So they should continue to offer wired charging until it becomes efficient to charge wirelessly. Till then, try to plug in your phone manually. Believe me, you will really feel pleasure for your tiny effort in the future.